Hey guys, Raghav here and I'm back with a new video on my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the desktop icon for Facebook and YouTube. I had made a similar video for WhatsApp, Twitter and Instagram. If you have not watched that, you should. And then let's go. I'm opening my browser and it's open. First I'm opening YouTube, then I'll open Facebook. As you can see, YouTube is opened and you can see here the three dots icon available, so click on that and then on more tools and then add to desktop. And if you do that, you'll get a box on your home screen, and that box you'll see here add option. You need to click on add and you can see the YouTube icon is created on my desktop. And similarly we'll do it for Facebook. And three dots icon, more tools, and then add to desktop, then add. So it's a very nice trick to add your social networking sites and other sites on your desktop which you need to access faster. You don't need to open Chrome and or any other web browser. As you can see, it's working. And thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.